Welcome to EDU World Space.
Here's a couple methods for solving these inequalities. First, x squared plus x minus 12. When we are less than 0, we're in this case, based on the graph of it, between the zeros of -4 and 3. Now, you could have determined this by hand because what multiplies a -12 and adds +1 would be +4 and -3. And since this parabola would be opening up, and you could tell that the solutions are -4 and +3, and that it's opening up, that it would open up between those. And so it's less than from -4 not included to 3 not included in interval notation. The next one, 5x squared minus 9x minus 2. Again, if we start graphically, I'm not sure if you're able to graph or not. We want to know when is it greater than or equal to 0. Well, we need to know what the zeros are. It's 2 and -0.2, or -1/5. And so the solution would be, if we are greater than or equal to the left of -0.2 and including it, so that would be from -infinity to -1/5 included union, and then we're back above at or above 0 when we hit the next 0 at 2. So from 2 included to 0. So that's the solution. You can figure this out again. This parabola would open up, so it would be because it's opening up, it's going to hit between these zeros. So between them would be negative, and outside of them would be positive, okay, above 0. And then you could factor this. Like, what multiplies a -10 and adds to -9? That would be -10 and a +1. And then you can group these and factor out a 5x, left with x minus 2. You can take out a 1, left with x minus 2. And so this is x minus 2 times the quantity 5x plus 1. And you have to consider their zeros, which would be 2 and then -1/5. And again, it would be what I've highlighted in green here, to be greater than or equal to that 0.